Hello everyone, welcome here. In this lecture, you are going to learn for loop statement. So here, for loop is also a loop statement which will runs a statement repeatedly executes a particular block of code till the condition is satisfied. So the execution while iteration will happens. Loop statement will iterates means circle, how the circle will runs. The same way loop statement, for loop statement also will runs like a statement 1, statement 2, statement 3, so on it will goes. Where we can call it as the statement 1, 2, 3, we'll see by writing the syntax and all. Let text I am taking a simple text to be assigned something where we need to reuse inside a loop statement. Okay, for writing the for, let variable I equal to 0, I equal to 0 terminate. It is a called like statement 1, and I less than 10, this is the conditional statement is 2, and I plus plus. On incrementing we have applied like a while loop statement. How we have written after the statement printing I plus plus incrementation of the value on each iteration, the same way here it would be added. So now very simply, as we observed for loop, a block will be entered over here. So what we need to construct inside the block? Very simply, this text message I am writing plus equal to like putting something like the number or the value is whatever it you want to put something. I we need to present no, so the I value only will put yes, and after I we should require like some break. So how I can write the break? Making concatenation I, and here we can put like a BR tag, otherwise we'll get like a continuously till the end we'll get it. So this text is going to be assigning for this variable. Save it, run it. Number is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How we have seen in the while loop, the same will be applied here. So let 0, initiating of the loop by default, it's a let's 0. So I less than 10 till the below 10 it will be the condition. If it is satisfied, then the loop will terminate. Then I plus plus. When it is entering, this will be verified and it will be check here and it will enter into the block. Now immediately once I0 it is printed, again it will goes to here, I value is incremented by plus 1, then again verifies the condition. It's a incremented like a plus 1 means it's a 2, I value verified. If the condition is satisfied, again this statement is going to be printed. So 2 is printed. Again it will be verified. I increment the value I plus plus means I value is 3, verified and printing. Now the 3 is printed. So on till 9. Why it is 10? If it is the same I value is 10, less than 10 means it's the condition will false and it's a fail the condition. So the loop will terminate here and loop will exit, and so we have seen the till 9 the numbers. So this text I am going to assigning to our HTML element with the p tag. So we are getting an output accurately at the end. So how simply it is. How simply the lecture is going away. So I hope it's very simple and easy. Similarly, we'll see how to run like a group of array elements. A group of array elements. How we can check? Let's see. These are the very simple. Let a text I have taken here, and text not required now. Constant fruits shall I take, or yeah, fruits I will take. Within here I may put like a apple, banana, kiwi, n number of fruits you may write. 3 I have written and one more I'll write, pine. Okay, so how I can read this const like a fruits one by one using for loop statement? That's very easy. I equal to 0. Let I equal to 0. It's a default like initiating value I'm taking here. Or else we may put like I value at the loop statement also. Here it is there. We can use the same thing also. Let's try one by one. Let's try. So I need to identify the length of these fruits. So how I can check? Fruits dot length. This method will identify the fruits, how many are there. It will give the number of counting, the length count. It will be stored in the len variable. So now how I am taking these things, let's check one by one. Okay, so to be print requirement of let text to be required, let it be, yeah. Now let I equal to 0. Let I equal to 0. I less than like this length. Based on the length it will be verified. Okay, this is the number is going to be storing 1 2 3 4 that way. So I am verifying with my I value. So anyhow I is going to be plus plus here. So I need to print these fruits one by one. The fruits are how I can print the fruits. Yeah, let's check here. fruits, fruits of I we need to take. Let's check. Let me check run. This text is going to be assigned through this paragraph. Let me check how the output will comes. Wow, the fruits are apple. The fruit is we can put fruit is. The fruit is. Okay, yes, save it and reload. The fruit is apple, banana, kiwi, pine. Independently we are reading each and every item. So if I added one more fruit like guava, save it, reload, guava is added. How beauty it is. There is nothing will take much time to execute these statements. Why? Because the JavaScript on clients itself, it will runs very quickly. Great. I hope it's very simple and better to understand easy lecture. Catch you soon. Thank you.